welcome back or to my channel. If you are new, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Thank you for everyone who's always returning. Okay, you guys, so as you guys see by the title, this is gonna be a beautiful makeup look. But before we get into this video, I do want to share with you guys this amazing perfume that I just received. So first of all, shout out to Dossier for reaching out to me and sending me this wonderful perfume, and I'm gonna show you guys that now. So this is what the box looks like. Open it. It has the flavor that I chose, and it has the perfume. So I chose personally Floriental Vanilla. They actually have so many different flavors, well, scents that you can choose from. Oh my gosh. So I'm a person where I'm really into like citrus and just fruity stuff, but I actually chose Floriental Vanilla because I also like the vanillas and the cocos, and I just feel like it's perfect because it's the fall time. So Dossier is basically a company who sells perfumes where you can actually get like high-end perfumes for a lower price. Their scents is actually compared to some of the highest volume perfumes. So instead of going into the store spending like $500 for a specific perfume, you can actually get it from them and at a very, very cheaper price, super affordable. So it's funny because mine is actually in comparison to the YSL Black Opium. Yes, so y'all, first of all, let me spray this. I actually smelled it already, but I'm gonna show you guys. So this is the little bottle, Floriental Vanilla. Y'all, honestly, it smells so expensive. Like, I'm actually waiting to use this when I go out. I feel like this is not something that I want to wear every single day. It gives me like vanilla, but it's like cocoa, and then it just reminds me of fall. It's nice, it's warm. I love those type of scents, and this is actually really perfect. Y'all, this right here is literally the bomb. It smells so good. So if you guys are interested in purchasing, I actually have a discount code down below, and you guys want to check the description box and you will get money off. Also, they are also having a 30% off the first time order, and you can also use my discount as well. So you guys, make sure that you guys check out this brand. Their stuff smells so good. I actually am now really excited to see what their other scents are gonna smell like. Actually, I'm gonna list on the side some of the other things that they have. The good thing about this is the fact that all their scents are $39. So whereas if you go other high-end brands, is range from like $50 all the way up to like $280, sometimes even more, because depending on the brand, it can go up to like $300, $400 for some smell goods. And why not save you some coin, you know? So if you do happen to order a scent from them and you don't like it, the good thing is that you can actually return it back within 30 days. So that's perfect. So you don't have to worry about losing out on your money. And on top of that, it's super affordable anyway. So you guys make sure that you're going to check that out down below in the description. And now let's get into this video.
And I wrap my legs so tight you got me. When I feel that tingle down my spine. Oh, you know that's when I come alive. You I come alive. You with you I come alive. You with you I come alive. You with you I come alive. Ooh, 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 when I feel your hands all on my body, and I wrap my legs so tight you got me. When I feel that tingle down my spine, oh you know that's when I come alive. You with you 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 I come alive. Time